Stop juggling 12 different marketing tools when 500,000 plus entrepreneurs are already using this one platform for everything. I'm talking about System.io, and honestly, it's a game changer. Picture this: your email marketing, sales funnels, course creation, affiliate management, and automation all living in one place. No more switching between tabs, no more monthly subscription chaos draining your bank account. I used to pay over $300 a month for tools that barely talk to each other. Now, I'm running my entire business on System.io's free forever plan. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free. No credit card needed. While other platforms nickel and dime you for basic features, System.io gives you the full toolkit from day one. The setup takes minutes, not hours. Your data flows seamlessly between features. Your workflows actually work. Over 500,000 entrepreneurs can't be wrong about this. Stop making marketing harder than it needs to be. Click the link, grab your free account, and join the entrepreneurs who chose simplicity over complexity. Your future self will thank you.